TikTok has given us dance trends, sea shanties, and some of the dumbest health hacks I've ever seen. We're not endorsing anything, we're just asking, does this even make sense? Let's dive into the scroll hole of chaos. Hack number 1. Chlorophyll water. TikTok says it clears your skin, boosts energy, and makes your poop green. I drank it for 48 hours. Verdict: my skin looked the same. My energy was meh. And yes, green poop is real. Our doctor says chlorophyll might have antioxidant properties, but there's zero proof it's a miracle cure. Also, it stains everything, including your soul. Hack number 2. Shoving garlic cloves up your nose to clear sinuses. TikTok shows rivers of mucus pouring out. I tried it, it burned, it dripped. It was disgusting. Doctor's take: garlic is antimicrobial, but stuffing it in your nostrils can irritate your mucous membranes and cause inflammation. Also, you smell like a cursed pasta dish for hours. Hack number 3. Mouth taping for better sleep. TikTok says it forces you to nose breathe, which improves oxygen flow and sleep quality. I tried it for 2 nights. Result: I woke up panicked once and drooled through the tape. Doctor says mouth taping can help some people, but only if you're medically cleared and not prone to sleep apnea. For most of us, it's just a sticky mess. Hack number 4. Rubbing ice cubes on pimples. TikTok swears it shrinks zits instantly. I iced my face for 3 days. Result: temporary redness, slight swelling reduction, but no miracle. Doctor says cold compresses can reduce inflammation, but don't expect it to erase acne overnight. Also, frostbite is not a glow-up. Hack number 5. Raw potato slices for dark circles. TikTok says the starch brightens your under eyes. I did it for 3 mornings. Result: slight cooling effect, but no visible change. Doctor says potatoes contain enzymes that might soothe puffiness, but again, no clinical proof. Also, you look like a sleep-deprived salad. So, what did we learn? TikTok is great for entertainment, but not for health advice. Some hacks have a tiny grain of truth. Others are just spicy nonsense. The doctor's verdict: if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And if it involves garlic in your nose or taping your mouth shut, maybe just don't. Want more weird wellness experiments? Hit subscribe and tap the bell.